Welcome to this demo on how to set up survey translations using the Chisquares platform. Translations help you reach more people by making your survey available in multiple languages. Whether you're working across countries or serving a diverse population in one region, translations make your data more inclusive and accurate. Chisquares allows all language responses to flow into one clean dataset, no merging needed. Plus, the system tracks which language each participant used. Let's walk through how to set up translations on the platform. Go to the Survey Editor, click Actions, select Language and Translations. Click on Add New Language. Click on Full AI Translation. Select the languages you want. In this example, we chose French, Polish, and Spanish. Click Proceed. You'll now see a list of added languages with their names, current status, and actions you can take like download PDF or remove language. For those who want to maintain some manual control over the translation, instead of relying fully on AI, the manual translation with web form is a great option. Click on the Click Here to Start prompt. Choose German as the target language. You'll now see each survey question ready for manual translation. You can type translations directly or use the purple magic wand icon to apply AI-suggested translations. Let's now complete other translations using the magic wand instead of typing manually. You can use filters like All Items or Translated Questions to manage your view. There's also a Find and Replace feature available during translation. Click on the filter option to view only untranslated items. You can switch the display format between full questionnaire or reduced format. Once you're done, click on Save Translation. Back in language settings, you'll see a list of all added languages. The status for most will show pending because they require background processing before the status can be updated. If you hover over the information icon, you'll see this note. While processing, your translation CS will show as pending. This may take some time, so feel free to continue with other tasks and check back later. If processing fails, we recommend using the web form to complete your translation. Now let's look at another method, Upload Template Translation. Choose a language or add a custom one. Let's pick Dutch. Click on Click Here to download. You can view the file in Google Sheets or save it as an Excel file to your device. Again, go to Actions, Language and Translations. Select Upload Template Translation. Pick Dutch as the language. Click on Upload or drag and drop your translated spreadsheet. Choose Dutch in the drop-down. Click Proceed. That's it! You'll now see Dutch added to the language list with a pending status. Let's preview the survey. Select German from the language drop-down. Voila! You'll see the survey in German since its translation status was completed. Participants will be able to switch to German while taking the survey. Thanks for watching, and happy surveying with Chisquares.